In this session, we will be learning how to take horizontal measurements. At the end of this session, you will be able to know the horizontal measurements, explain important horizontal body measurements of women and men, and list the steps to take horizontal measurements. The horizontal measurement refers to the measurement that is made along the x-axis. The horizontal measurement is usually one-dimensional. Examples are shoulder end to end, across chest, etc. There are some important horizontal measurements for women. They are shoulder length. Measure from the base of the neck to the shoulder edge. Across back should be measured across the back from armhole to armhole. Every person has an individual height and shape of the body. Big, small, fat persons don't match with the ideal proportions. While stitching a garment, the shape of the garment must be adjusted to the shape of the body as much as possible. The important horizontal measurements taken for men are shoulder. Measure from the left shoulder end to the right shoulder end where you find the ball moving while moving your arm. Across chest. Measure across the chest line on thigh level. Across back. Measure on the back from one sleeve joint to the other on thigh level, above the blade bone. Now, let us do our task. To perform the task, you need measuring tape, dress form, paper or notebook, and pencil or pen. The task is to take horizontal measurements. The measurements to be taken in front are across shoulder. Measure from shoulder tip to center front neck. Across chest. Measure from center front to 1 inch above the mid armhole, pin marked. Bust arc. Measure from center front over the bust point ending 2 inches below arm plate at side seam. Bust span. Place tape across bust points and divide in half for measurement. Waist arc. Measure from center front waist to the side waist seam. Dart placement. Measure from center front to side front, princess line. Abdomen arc. Measure from center front to side seam, starting 3 inches down from waist. Hip arc. Measure from center front to side seam on the HBL line. The measurements to be taken in back are back neck. Measure from center back neck to the shoulder at the neck. Across shoulder. Measure from shoulder tip to center back neck. Across back. Measure from center back to 1 inch above the mid armhole at the ridge of the pinhead. Back arc. Measure from center back to the bottom of arms plate. Waist arc. Measure from center back waist to the side waist seam. Dart placement. Measure from center back waist to side back, princess line. Abdomen arc. Measure from center front to side seam, starting 3 inches down from waist. Hip arc. Measure from center front to side seam on the HBL line. We have reached the end of this session on Take Horizontal Measurements. By now, you should be able to know the horizontal measurements, explain important horizontal body measurements of women and men, and list the steps to take horizontal measurements.